Hey guys, welcome to another video, and thanks for clicking on this one. This is a video I didn't really want to make this video, honestly, and that is because there's been a lot of stuff, a lot of things preventing immigrants from really getting ahead. And definitely we have an administration that is making things a little bit more difficult and definitely more challenging for people who may not have the same privileges as those that maybe were born here, grew up here, or been here for a long time. So in this video, I really want to share something that I have to just get off my chest. And that is because I think in order to get ahead, one has to be in a place that supports that mission, that supports that vision, that supports the goal, right? It's like planting a seed on a land that is not fertile. If you do not plant it in the right spot, in the right ground, and give it the necessary things it needs to grow, then that seed will not grow, will not become something of value. And that applies to people who are, migrating and immigrants in different parts of the world, whether it's in the UK, US, Australia, Canada, all these places. So this really applies to everybody, depending on where you are. And one thing that I really want to stress out is that no matter where you find yourself, no matter what stage you're in, no matter what your goals are, the reason why we've all decided to leave home, right, is for that better future or that greener pasture, like they say. And the hope is that wherever we find ourselves, that whatever we do, that we end up succeeding. But there's something that is important, and that is we have to put ourselves in a position to succeed. Because no matter where you go, no matter where you find yourself, you are already in a place where you are likely different. And that can either work for you or work against you. Whether it's the way you speak, your accents, the way you look, your color, the color of your skin, all of that, right? Those things can either work for you or work against you. And that is where, there's this word that keeps coming to mind, and that is the word resiliency, right? You have to be resilient in this pursuit. And honestly, that is the reason why I keep posting on this channel. All right, it's not because I have any golden path to succeeding, right? But one thing I know is that with consistency, educating yourself, doing the work, not leaving things unturned, right? Opportunities, if that makes sense, like not leaving them unturned, I think eventually you will get to succeed, or you get to achieve whatever you want to achieve. So this channel, or this medium of me sharing my thoughts and my ideas and things that I've learned, right? Whether it's in finance, investing, and all that, those are things that I've learned over time. And one thing that is consistent is that as long as I can continue doing exactly what I've been doing, it will continue to sustain and help me in my own journey. Hence the reason why I also keep coming back to share more, because I can see that it's helping me. You know, what that makes sense? Yes, it's not overnight, all right, because that's never going to be the case. Anything that is overnight means that you can lose it the next day, right? Check out the millionaires of 10 years ago from whatever, whether it's, crypto or whatever, right? Most of them, maybe they've lost the money, maybe they've sold out. The point here is I am looking for consistent path to wealth. Hence the reason why the strategies and the approach I'm taking isn't just, let's day trade so that we can make so much money, and then, but you can't repeat it, right? And I'm not saying that day traders don't repeat their success with their strategies out there, but the reality is that most people, an average person, cannot sustain such because of just what it takes, whether it's the amount of money it takes, whether it's the risk you have to take, the guts to be able to take those risks, right? So the goal here is wherever you find yourself, it is important to educate yourself. It is important to add value to yourself. That education sometimes may cost you some money, may cost you some time, may cost you some effort, right, on your part. But at the end of the day, being consistent, being able to continue to improve on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis, on a yearly basis will go a long way. We are in the year 2026 now. We have a lot more days left in the year. And that means that a lot of more days to make progress, a lot of more days for growth, a lot of more days to achieve success, a lot of more days to get things done. And that is the mindset that we all need to have, no matter where you find yourself. Because even if all the resources, all the opportunities are around you, if you do not have the necessary skills or the necessary, the knowledge that you need, you won't take advantage of it. And that goes to myself as well, right? At the end of the day, it's all about being prepared for those opportunities so that when they come, then you can actually take advantage and use them for what they are there for. But if you're not aware of it, or because you don't have the knowledge for it, then you can't take advantage of it. Let me go back to the finance, right? A good example is the stock market. A lot of people may worry about the stock market. Oh, it's not growing. Oh, because they put $20 and it's not going up in value. Of course, you put $20. That's why it's not going to go up. Even if you put $20 in something and it goes up 100%, you've made just another $20. Is that going to ever change your life? No. Right? And the same goes with anything. If you put in a little bit, you're likely going to get a little bit out of it. Even if in terms of percentages, it's double or triple, the point here is it's not going to significantly change your life. Hence the reason why a lot of people get discouraged from the results that they get. And that is where I always go back to things like, being consistent with your savings, being consistent with your investments, being consistent with the knowledge that you're gaining and exposure that you get with assets, right? A lot of people want to stick to certain things, maybe just savings accounts because the money is safe and they don't see it go up and down in value. The reality is that that's why you're also not going to get ahead, because your money is sitting in a savings account that is only paying you 3.6% or 3% or 2%. And worst case, if you put yourself with these common banks in the States, like the big ones, Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, they're only paying you 0.01%. Hence the reason why your account will not grow. So even if you have $100,000 saved up in there, in a whole year, you're still not going to make $10,000. You're still not going to make $5,000. You're barely going to break even or break out of $1,000. All right. So here's the deal. It is important to educate ourselves. It is important to be informed about things. It is important to strive for that opportunity, and those things would take time. It does take consistency, it does take time, some effort, and again, back to the resiliency. You have to be resilient in this pursuit, because it would take the difficult times, the sweat, the tears, the blood, right? Like they say, sometimes it takes that in order to get to the other side. And to me, I try to remind myself that no matter what it is that I'm going through, no matter what the challenge is, no matter the difficulty, it's an opportunity to learn. It's an opportunity to grow. I try to remind myself that. I know it's not easy. Sometimes it can be depressing. Sometimes you get sad. It's okay, right? It's okay. Those are feelings. They will come, they will go, but you have to get up and push through all of that again, right? You have to remain focused on the goal. The goal doesn't change. The path may change. And the strategy may change. The approach may change. But the goal remains the same. I thought to share this with somebody because honestly, it's something that has been on my mind. If you like something like this, please drop a like on the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I'd love to see you in a future one.